Okay, friends, let's sing the song. Pour out the candles on the pink big cake. Pour out the candles on the pink big cake. Great job, friends. Well done. Are my friends ready? My mystery box is here. Let's find out what's in the box for us today. Remember, we want to look at things that begin with the letter sound. Let's find out. Oh my goodness. Something interesting. A pink ring. It's a pink ring. What color is the ring, friends? Pink. What color is the ring? Pink. As in pink. As in pink. As in pink. Great job, friends. I have something else in my mystery board. Let's find out. Oh, a pencil. A pencil. Can you see the pencil on my flashcard? As in pencil. As in pencil. As in pencil. Great job. I know you have pencils. I know you do. What other thing begin with the letter sound P? Pen. Your teacher's pen begins with the letter sound P. It begins with the letter sound P. Paul. Paul. P. As in Paul. P. As in Paul. P. As in pink. Pink ring. P. As in pencil. P. As in Paulina. P. As in Paulina. P. As in pastor. P. As in pastor. P. As in pasta. Pasta. Great job, friends. Well done. Awesome job. We are going to be making words with the letter sound P. Okay? We are going to be making words with the letter sound P. So let's make a word. So everybody, let's write pat. Pat. To give a pat at the back. To give a pat at the back. So we're going to learn to write pat. So let's write pat. What sounds do you hear in pat? I hear the sound P. So I'm going to write the first sound I hear, which is P. I hear the sound ah. Ah. Remember, ah. I'm writing the sound ah. I hear the sound t. So I'm going to write the sound pat. Pat. Everybody bring out your blending instruments. Show me your blending instruments. Blending instruments. Good job. Let's blend the word pat. Let's blend the word pat. Let's blend p. A. Pat. Again. P. A. Pat. Again. P. A. Pat. Fantastic job. Pat. What other word? I want us to make words with the sounds we've learned before. So let's think. We learned about the letter sound I. 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 So we can make another word. A pit. Pit. So let's write P. I hear the sound I. And I hear the sound pit. How many of my friends have seen a pit before? Like a very big hole that if you fall into it, you might get injured. Pits are very risky and my friends should stay away from peas. Okay? So let's blend p, eat, peas, p, eat, peas. Again, p, eat, peas. Fantastic job. Give yourselves the superhero clap. Let's go. Roll it, roll it, roll it, and let it go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hero, you are a mega superstar. Yay! Great job, friends. Well done. So I want my friends to go around the classroom, make words with the letter sound P, okay? Make words with the letter sound P. Color your worksheets, do your homework, because Miss Onyeko is going to be very happy if you do all your work. See you next time. Love you.